Mike Hughes here. I'm with Scandi Divers. I'm in Puerta Galera, Philippines, and I'm talking to a typical Filipino named Chris right here. You want to tell us a little bit about your operation?
Yeah, hi, good morning guys. I'm Chris here from Scandi Divers in the Philippines. We're based in a beautiful area called Puerta Galera. Our resort is on a very small bay called Big La Laguna. We're very lucky to have some of the highest diversity of marine life in the whole of the world. We have over 2,000 species of marine fish with over 1,100 nudibranch species.
1,100?
1,100, yeah. We have really.
I would have stopped at 200.
yeah. So the corals are also amazing with over 400 species of hard and soft corals.
Mm-hmm.
You know, the diving's very convenient with it being maximum 15-minute boat rides from the resort as well. So, you know, we have some nice muck diving as well, where you can find some of the crazy critters like the mimic octopus, the flamboyant cuttlefish, the ornate ghost pipefish. You know, some of the best critter diving basically in the whole world. So yeah, that's an overview of the diving in Puerta Galera.
And so they go right into Manila, then to hop another flight down?
It's actually, you fly into Manila, but from there it takes around 2 hours by van, and then 1 hour by boat to cross over to the island of Mindoro.
Oh, they fixed the roads up if it's only 2 hours.
Yes, it's a highway now, straight highway.
Perfect, because I didn't like those potholes so much.
Yeah, it used to be a bumpy ride, but now it's a flat road now all the way down.
Cool.
Yeah.
And so if they want more information about your diving down there in Puerto Galera?
So you can visit our website, www.scandidivers.com.
Scandidivers.com.
We have a bunch of stuff on our website, some great videos, great images, and some good information on the area as well.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you.